Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Richard.
And we're early to retirement wanderlust.
Just travelled 750 miles south down through France, and we've just spent our first night at an air somewhere.
Bourg-en-Bresse?
I think so.
We found a beautiful place to stop over, right next to this monastery.
We just had a wander through town, and we'll take you with us. Managed to take a few pictures, and we're just about to head off to Lake Geneva, where we've then got 3 weeks ahead of us travelling down through the Alps. Morning. It's early on a Sunday morning and there's no one around, so we thought we'd take the opportunity to give you a tour around the campsite so you can see what it's like down here on Lake Geneva. Big kids play area, but this is what I'm more interested in. This is absolutely mental. It's a community barbecue area, but it's run off a phone app. Apparently you just hook into the app, it's all digital, it just fires up and you cook your food as you wish. You got a nice covered area to sit in. So here we are, we're beside Lake Geneva on a Sunday morning, and for the first time in a long time we haven't had that Sunday morning feeling, that feeling of having to go to work, that feeling of thinking about what work I've got to do, that mental clutter that just gets in the way, and it's really refreshing. It's probably one of the things that we wanted, both of us, to get out of early retirement, to be able to have that mental switch off. Teaching's a funny old game. You do get really good holidays. You get 13 weeks a year, which we've absolutely loved, and it's been fantastic to bring our kids up with that amount of holiday. But you do need that holiday, and it's really difficult to switch off. And one of the things that we've been finding now is that even in early retirement it's been quite difficult to switch off. But one of the things I definitely won't miss is waking up on a Sunday morning and thinking about all of those things that need to be done ready for Monday morning, and all of those things that just keep niggling away during the course of the day in your own mind. Linked with that is the feeling that you get at the end of the holidays, and it was always towards the end of the summer holidays, a couple of weeks before that, that you'd start getting wound up and ready for the next academic year and the next work that you've got to do. We don't have that now, and it is really, really refreshing. It's really weird. It's really strange that we've come out here towards the end of August and we're going to be out here for certainly halfway through September. We definitely needed to get away. We needed to get away from that start of the holiday, or that end of the holiday feeling. We haven't got that this year, which is great, but it's also a bit weird because we've spent 30 years having a summer holiday and then getting revved up for a hectic start in September. Maybe it's going to be hectic in a different way. Maybe it's going to be hectic that we've got to sort our house out that's ticking away back in the UK while we're out here enjoying ourselves. Maybe it's we've just got to find a purpose. Maybe it's we've just got to learn to switch off and enjoy being early retired.